The weather is getting cooler and fall is in the air. And now is the best time to renew your bathrooms and bedrooms at the 2018 Labor Day sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet. 25% off all our everyday low prices, August 23rd through September 3rd. Enjoy some of the best quality and most recognized national brands at prices that will be hard to beat. Enjoy savings on all your home accessories, from sheets, pillows, blankets, and comforters to towels and washcloths and other household items, with brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Under the Canopy, Dina Home, 5-Star Hotel, EcoPure, and Modern Living. It's the 25% off 2018 Labor Day sale. WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet, 1414 Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 in the Washington Square.